So we begin by opening a new document, and we'll go to calculator and we'll type in here define function f of x and then define another function g of x equal to the derivative of f of x. And let's just check that that indeed is what we're going to get. It is correct. Now we go to Home, Spreadsheet. We're going to be using this spreadsheet to generate the Newton-Raphson iterates. So up the top here, we will, in accordance with our notes, type in here the names of the columns just for convenience. So the x values here are the iterates, and our first iterate over here is 1.5. So we'll type in up here xval, and across here we'll type in next x, and then the function value of x. So our first estimate of the solution we chose was 1.5. So we go over to here and type in A1, which is our original x, minus, and here we apply the Newton-Raphson formula. So we want to have this quantity consisting of the f of A1 over the g of A1, and then we just tap enter, and then over here we'll type in here next the function value, the f of A1. Now we want to transplant, this is, remember, x0 just here, this is x1, and this is the f of x0. So we now need to put x1 over here. So I'm just going to put in there equals b1. And then we can just fill this down in the usual way by hitting the central navpad key and then filling down. So same here with this one. Oh, we didn't hold it long enough. There it goes. At this stage we can highlight the entire row, use the navpad key, scroll down to as many rows as we please, and then just tap enter. Now you'll notice here that we've got a function value of 0, or appears to be 0. It's actually 6.312307 by 10 to the minus 7. So it's pretty small. So that's the function value when the iterate is this. Now this is the fourth iterate. Remember, this one here, x0, is not really an iterate because it doesn't come as a result of using the formula that gives us these numbers here. x1 is really the first iterate, then x2, x3, x4. So that's how we fill in the chart, the spreadsheet for the details of the Newton-Raphson process. So we'll go down to here. It's a pretty good approximation to the actual root of the equation x cubed minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. So you should try this yourself just to make sure that you're familiar with the whole process.